Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Maddie Vlogs. I know it's been a while. You know, I've been making moves over the last month and a half. I went from Florida, I'm back in Boston now, and I apologize that I haven't posted up anything. And I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate and I love all the support that I've been getting for the subscribers and followers that I do have. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me. For anybody, we're here to show love and we're here to have a great time. Like I said, I'm back and I'm gonna be at it, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. This video is gonna be a car show, a lot of awesome JDM import vehicles, a lot of old school Corollas, some American muscle here and there, but I hope that you guys enjoy it. And if you ain't following, smash the subscribe and hit the like. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Thank you.
This is badass, bro.
I heard it start off like yeah. American V8. Yeah, it's American, baby. Yeah. Oh, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
He always eats apple all night.
That's what I'm saying. That's how
slingshot, buddy. That thing's cool.
It only has.
Yeah. Watch out for these bikes. These are nice.
We do keep it clean though. We got kids in the building.
Hey, yo, Ice. Don't give a damn, I'm still got money, I know who I am. Call me low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he slow, he gon' act like a fan. He was bigger, they got you had guys. So I give him my pass. Like that, keep it a stack. Move on, see you on our base.
You know this one.
Still got money, I know who I am. Call me low, he gon' hit on my gram.
It's a club banger.
He gon' act like a fan. He was bigger, they got you had
With Simmons in the building, we got that banger ready.
Bobby, come here.
Look, Daddy, there's another one. Hey, I want something too.
Participate. Hey, participate. Hey, if you're hot, you can go back with Anthony. If you're hot, you can go back with Anthony.
Quem vai tocar é o Astra Macabro. Que manda na Europa. É DJ Léo, do Brasil para o mundo. E fica, pega pra ver.
Imagínate, tú y yo en la playa, la arena, el mar, el sonido de las olas, todo tu cuerpo.
Okay.
Like I said, you always stay hot.
Listen.
Only back 'cause I keep making bottles. Stop. I'm taking her spot. If I was